Hello everybody, welcome back. I thought we'd take this opportunity to test out this little Sonkir 3-in-1 moisture, light, and pH tester. I got it off Amazon. It was like $9 and change, mostly just to get the free same-day shipping on our soil test kit, which there will be a video coming out soon for. But this claims to be just a quick little easy way to test the moisture and the pH levels and the light levels of your soil with no batteries. Just stick it in according to the instructions. You're supposed to put these probes into the soil about 3/4 of the way, so about there. You'll leave it for 10 minutes and then it should go give you a reading. So you can see, pretty simple looking. You have a little dial over here, gives you a reading for your light, your moisture, and on the bottom your pH. Looks like a little light sensor, and there's a little toggle over here that you could switch what you're testing. So pH, in the middle is light. You saw the needle just jump right up because we're in the direct sunlight. And then moisture. So let's go put this in the ground and we'll see how it works. So we'll just choose a spot anywhere, like over here, stick it in, and we'll check back in 10 minutes. Good opportunity to enjoy an OSHA approved beverage. We'll see you in a bit. Okay everybody, we're back. It's been about 10 minutes. So this little soil tester is telling us our pH is at about a 7. As far as light, I'm in the light right now, so it's not picking up much. And our soil is very wet. It's been a rainy week, so that makes sense. So about 6.5, 7. Looks like closer to 7. Not really. Gives you a rough estimate, but not really the most accurate. So we'll compare this to our at-home soil test kit, and I also have a professional kit coming. We'll see just how accurate this is, but I think for a quick reading, a nice little device. Thanks again. Take care.